guys, welcome back to my little closet. Today we're going to be opening a lot of blind bags. Let's get started. Here we have a Happy Places box. Happy Places. Cinderella. Let's see what we have inside. We have a little shelf. And the bag. And the list. Ooh. So let's see what we have here. A comb. It's a mirror. And a hair dryer. But everything in this little shelf, isn't it cute? I know Susie, our Barbie, she's gonna be excited to use that. So let's see dragons. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, I don't know. I don't know which character is this one, but he is cute. He is super cute. Ah. Now let's see this splashlings, what we're gonna get. I want the cute little penguin. Let's see. Ooh. Oh my gosh. It looks like a mermaid heart or something. Oh, it's a diamond heart. And a shark. Oh, this is so cute. Yum, yum, yum. We have a rare. The little shark. And the heart is a common. Now let's open the Teen Titans Go. Who is excited to see this movie? I am going to definitely watch this movie in the summer. Who is she? I don't know who is she. I guess she is one of the new characters from the new movie. So let me put this all together. And here she is. I'm so sad. Let's see who we're gonna get on this one. Beast Boy! It's me, Beast Boy. I'm so excited I got Beast Boy. He is one of my favorite characters from Teen Titans Go. Thanks, cubes. I want one of the unicorns, but let's see. Pink hair and guitar. Ooh, 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 looking gorgeous. Ooh, and I got this rocker chick with the unicorn mohawk. Tsum Tsum. We have Iron Man here and Mysterio. Some surprise. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, we have these characters right here, and I really don't know the names of them. Iron Man and Mysterio. So I guess we got here Lizard. Ooh, and Sandman. Let's open the Squishy. Squishy Shopkins from this is series 2, and I'm really hoping for that burger. So let's see. Oh, look at that. It's a cheeseburger. Ooh. 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 LOL surprise confetti. Woo. First surprise, rocker science. We have, ooh, look at this clothes. Shoes. Ooh, pop. Ooh, now let's get ready to pop it. Ooh. Ooh, look at our LOL baby. Oh, she is cute. And here is our gamer girl looking all cute. Now let's find out if she's gonna color change. Enter in here. Whoop. Give her some water. Now let's see if she's gonna spit or cry. Oh, she's a crier. Oh my gosh, she's getting the camera wet. She's crying. Wah! Wah! Well guys, thank you for watching Toy Unboxing. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite toy surprise. My favorite toy surprise was the Crybaby LOL and Beast Boy, Go Mama, and the unicorn. Thank you for watching. Remember, subscribe.